10 years ago, the dream was different: get a job, work hard, buy a home, and retire at 60. Today, people want out by 40, some even by 35. They are tired of office drama, endless meetings, toxic client, and burnout dressed up as hustle. They scroll Instagram and see people retired in Bali, building passive income, living on a beach, sipping coconut water, and they think that's the life. So they start the SIP, read higher blogs, cut down expenses, say one day I will be free. But here's the question which no one wants to ask. Are you really planning your retirement or just trying to escape the life you are stuck in right now? Because retiring early sounds cool, it feels like freedom. But the freedom is not just about stopping work, it's about living well with or without work. Therefore, before we chase the fantasy any further, we need to look at what early retirement actually means and why most people who dream of it may never reach it. Ask anyone with an early retirement plan, and they will say it probably. I have started my SIP. I will invest for 20 years and I will be all set. Systematic investment plans or SIP sounds like a perfect fix. A small amount, long term gains, passive income, financial freedom. It looks smart, it's disciplined, and it's optimistic. But here's the truth most won't say out loud. SIP are not escape route. They are tools. They are not guarantee bonds. Because the market crashes, inflation grows, healthcare costs are rising, and the rents do not wait for your maturity date. The amount which looks a lot in future is nothing when we consider it in that time. 40 years from now, that amount will be like peanuts. There are other problems with SIPs too. What if you pause investing during layoffs? What if the market underperforms for a decade? What if your life does not go according to your spreadsheet? Therefore, SIPs alone cannot be freedom. They buy time, they buy options, but they won't rescue you from a life you are unwilling to change. Early retirement is not about numbers, it's about building a system that works with or without markets. Because the real investment is not just in mutual funds, it's in how you live. So many people talk about retiring early, but they don't really mean retirement. What they are actually saying is, I want to stop feeling this exhaustion. They are not planning for 20 years of peace. They are planning to escape the next 2 years of misery. Because burnout is everywhere. The fake deadlines, the urgent call at 9 p.m., the pressure to do more, be more, earn more, and that too at a faster speed. But escaping work is not the same as building peace. You can quit your job, leave the city, even take a break. But if you don't heal the system inside you, it will follow you everywhere. Retirement does not cure burnout, purpose does. Therefore, the goal is not to stop working, it's to stop doing the work that destroys you. If you retire without knowing what you are retiring into, it won't be a peace. It will be boredom, confusion, and regret. And in the world that's moved faster than ever, stagnation feels worse than stress. Another modern belief is that buying a home is old school, renting gives you freedom, and that makes sense only on paper. Until you turn 50, your rent rises, your income falls, and you realize you have been paying for a home you will never own. But homes are not just investments, they are anchors, shelter, leverage, and security. No landlord, no yearly negotiation, no relocation threat at age of 60. In India, most of retirement planning was built around home ownership. You stay, your cost drops, you pass it on. Therefore, if you don't own property by the time you slow down, you will still running, still dependent, still exposed to inflation forever. Freedom through renting works only if your income never stops. And it's not that exactly what retirement was supposed to free you from. And here's a truth no one put in their fire spreadsheets. You might never retire, not because you failed, but because the world won't let you. Because economics shift, lifespans are growing, and expenses are not going to stop. So instead of trying to escape the work, choose the work that don't feels like a prison. Teaching, writing, investing, creating, advising. Pick something you can do with your mind, not just your body. With age, no one benefits from telling us in our 20s. They always tell us to chase salaries, status, buzzword, and not sustainability. Therefore, you end up in a job that pays you well, until they drain your soul. Early retirement is not the goal, but the lifelong relevance is the goal. The only real retirement plan is being useful in a way that does not kill you. Early retirement influencers love to talk about spending less, cancel subscription, brew coffee at home, stop eating out. It's called frugal living and it works to a point, but cutting costs won't make you wealthy. It just slows down your poverty because the real expenses happens in chunks. Medical emergencies, helping parent, children's education, housing shocks, and market crashes. $5 coffee is not your enemy. The life is. Therefore, the goal is not to shrink your life to retire early. It's to build a big enough life to absorb impact. That means build high income skills on assets that grow. Create multiple streams, get insured, save smart, and spend wisely. Frugality buys you time, but only wealth buys you freedom. So, now coming to the main question, do you want to retire or just feel free? Early retirement sounds like a dream, but maybe it's not the dream itself. It's the feeling behind it. Freedom, rest, control, peace. That's what people want. They don't want to stop working, but to stop feeling like life owns them. But here's the hard truth. Most people who say they want to retire early are not building life they can actually retire from. They are just burnt out, stuck, and reacting. They have SIPs but no skill plan, a budget but no fallback, a fantasy but no framework. Therefore, it's time to shift the question. Don't ask when can I retire, but ask how can I live so well that I never want to. Because the goal is not to stop working, it's to build a life that does not require escape hatch, where your work energizes you, your money protects you, your purpose guides you, and your peace is not something you buy at 60, but something you practice at 30. And so, early retirement is not the answer. A better life is, and that starts now.